We have all come to expect fresh, delicious produce year-round. The quality and freshness we enjoy today is truly remarkable, and many take it for granted. But restaurant owners don't. A reliable supply of fresh produce can mean the difference between success and failure. Perishables are perhaps the most challenging foods for any restaurant, as well as for most distributors. The science and logistics behind food delivery is truly impressive. Today, Kuna Food Service is applying 21st century technology in our produce arena. A seamless cold chain of handling ensures that our customers receive the absolute best quality. What does cold chain mean? It means that produce is kept cold every step of the way, from the field to the restaurant. When our produce is harvested, it goes immediately into a refrigerated storage area. The produce is loaded into refrigerated trucks and delivered to our warehouse. Our state-of-the-art refrigerated trucks deliver the produce to your door, the final step in our seamless, reliable delivery process. Kuna is advancing the science of food service distribution.
I'm Doug Conwell, produce buyer for Kuna Food Service.
What makes Kuna Food Service unique?
Our produce is checked on a daily basis, that we turn our inventory several times a week to ensure the freshest produce possible.
Tell us about the Kuna Seamless Cold Chain.
Well, the cold chain refers to the climate of the product from harvest to delivery to our customer. Kuna ensures the cold chain by having a refrigerated dock or receiving area, and the products are stored at optimal temperatures for that specific product. In addition, our refrigerated trucks are pre-cooled and loaded for delivery to our customers. The cold chain is important to our customers to ensure the highest quality of produce available to them, simply because if the product does not achieve optimal temperatures, the life of that product is diminished.
You can always count on Kuna, the largest, locally owned, independent food distributor in the region. Visit our website at kunafoodservice.com.